Hello, my people. I'm Kalam from Research Scholars team. So this episode is the Pidgin episode. The Pidgin version of the training. So basically, now what we go do is to what we want to do basically is how to get Python installed on our system. So the first thing first, we person go do now to just open in browser. So after you open your browser on your system, you type in python.org. So once you type in python.org, you just click enter. It may take you to Python official website. So in the load down. Okay. So now once you get to the Python official website, this is the landing page. So the first thing first you see is about download, documentation, community, success stories, news and events. So my people, what you go do now is just to click on download. And once you click on download, it will show the latest version wey Python release. So and there are also previous older versions like this one now, 3.915. They release on October 11, 2022. So 3.9.7 they release on August 30, 2021. So that's how to go about it once with the Python official website. So all you have to do is just click on download Python. We go for this one for the purpose of the training, so we go fit carry everybody along. So it's in the download now. If you don't full, you don't download finish with that one. So the next episode is about how to set up Python software. Thank you, my people.